Welcome to While You Were Pooping, where we share fun facts, helpful anecdotes, or something to laugh about in just the time it takes you to number 2. Today, we're popping into the effervescent world of bubbles. Yes, those simple spheres of soap and water that captivate children and pets alike have some fascinating physics behind them. Let's burst into the science of bubbles.
While you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping.
At their core, bubbles are incredibly thin films of soapy water that trap air inside. When light hits a bubble, it reflects off both the outer and inner surfaces of this soapy film, leading to a burst of color. This colorful display isn't just pretty, it's a showcase of light waves interfering with each other. The colors you see in bubbles are determined by the thickness of the soapy film. Thinner films reflect blue light, while thicker sections appear more red. The variety in thickness across the bubble's surface creates those swirling patterns of rainbow colors. This phenomenon, known as thin film interference, is similar to what you see in oil slicks on water. But bubbles aren't just floating color shows. They're also a study in fluid dynamics and surface tension. Soap molecules have a hydrophilic, or water-loving, head and a hydrophobic, or water-fearing, tail. When you mix soap with water, these molecules arrange themselves at the surface, lowering the water's surface tension and making it more elastic. This elastic is crucial. It's what allows the bubble to form and remain stable, even as it floats through the air. But bubbles are delicate. The balance between the forces of surface tension pulling inward and the air pressure pushing outward must be just right. Too much of one or the other and pop! The bubble bursts. And what about those majestic towers of bubbles you can create with a good bubble wand? That's all about the soap film's ability to stretch and thin out without breaking, thanks to the stabilizing action of soap molecules which fortify the water's surface. So, the next time you blow a bubble, you're not just making a bit of floating art. You're conducting a live physics experiment that encompasses light, color, structure, and dynamics. This episode is brought to you by VectorX, your go-to Salesforce partner. Just like while you were pooping, VectorX is all about fitting seamlessly into your life. We understand that your time is valuable, and that's why we help streamline and supercharge your Salesforce experience, so you can get back to what matters most, your life. Flush away inefficiency at vectorx.com. VECTORX.com. That's vectorx.com. That's all for today's episode. Join us during your next poo when we drop another nugget or two for your enjoyment. And when your friends ask, "How do you know that?" just let them know you learned it while you were pooping.
Yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping.